Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Hey guys, so I finally got my first beard trim. Now, it went pretty smooth, I have to admit. I do like the new style, it's a lot cleaner. You know, I was starting to look kind of scraggly after 2 months. And I would definitely suggest going to a barber shop and getting a beard trim. It's a lot easier than trying to do it yourself, having to worry about, oh, is it even, is it straight? It was really nice. I was quite impressed. Now I'll throw up some before and after photos real quick just so you can see the difference. Mainly, you know, I got a haircut too, but I got it faded and trimmed along the sides and under. It just looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. I'm excited for it to keep growing. But if any of you prefer to do it at home yourself, let me know why. Why do you prefer to do it yourself versus going out and getting it professionally done? Is it the money? It was kind of pricey for me, but to me it was worth it just to save time and stress trying to do it myself. But let me know why you prefer to do it at home if you do. And if you prefer to get it done by a professional like me, then let me know why you choose that as well. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video and if it helped you out at all, then I'd ask you to subscribe and hit that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And with that said, have a great day. All right, so what I really enjoyed about the barbershop, going, you just guy right here, this guy, Joker right here. Look, hey, look over here. Look,